Welcome to the class, division of fractions. There are 10 chocolates and distribute those among 5 children. Each will get 2. So actually by dividing 10 with 5 we got that number 2. We know the multiplication table of 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Because we know the multiplication table of 5, we can easily say 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Here in another case, 3 divided by 1 by 2. 3 is an integer and 1 by 2 is a fraction. But here we doesn't know the multiplication table of 1 by 2. Now see another example. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5. Dividing a fraction with another fraction. The first fraction 3 by 4 means we are dividing number 3 with the number 4 and we call it as a fraction. 3 by 4 is a division and we call it as a fraction. That means 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 5 means dividing a division with another division. It is looking complicated and confusion. But we can make it simple and easy. That is mathematics. For that we must know about reciprocal of fraction. 2 by 3, we know 2 by 3 is a fraction and 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Now change the numerator as denominator and change the denominator as numerator. So now 2 becomes a denominator and 3 becomes a numerator, that is 3 by 2. So that 3 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 3. Now how this reciprocal is going to help us? To divide a number with a fraction, multiply that number with reciprocal of fraction. Forget about the division now. To multiply the number with the reciprocal of that fraction. Now 3 divide 1 by 2 means we have to find out the reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is 2 by 1. So 3 into 2 by 1. Now 3 division, the 1 by 2 becomes is equal to 3 into 2 by 1. That is 3 into 2. That is 6. Division of a fraction by another fraction. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So here 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. That it becomes 3 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2. So now reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. That is equal to 2 by 1. So 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 5 into 2 by 1. So multiply the numerator 3 into 2, that is 6. And multiply the denominator 5 into 1, that is 5. 6 by 5. Now another example. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Now we have to find out the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Because it is dividing the other number. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 becomes 5 by 3. So 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. That is 1 into 5 by 2 into 3. That is 5 by 6. So find the reciprocal of each of the following. Now find out the reciprocal of 5 by 8. That will become numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. That becomes 8 by 5. And look into the other problems. Here divide 18 divided by 3 by 4. So 18 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. 18 into 4 by 3. That becomes 24. Here are some other problems. Follow them. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 is a mixed number. Now convert into improper fraction. That will become 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 3 divided by 7 by 3. So 3 divided by 7 by 3 becomes 3 into reciprocal of 7 by 3. So reciprocal of 7 by 3, we know that is 3 by 7. That is equal 3 into 3 by 7. And it becomes 9 by 7. Again, it's an improper fraction and convert into a mixed number. That will become 1, 2 by 7. 2 by 5 divided by 3. Now 3 is an integer. So we have to make it as a fraction. To make it as a fraction, just divide by 1. And this value also won't change. That is 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 1. And now it becomes 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 1. That is 1 by 3. That becomes 2 into 1 by 5 into 3. That is 2 by 15. 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 5. So 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 4 by 5, that becomes 5 by 4. That is 4 by 9 into 5 by 4. Now 1 4 is in numerator's place and 1 4 is in denominator's place. So we can cancel each other. That become the 4 will gone and 1 will remain there, and here also 4 will gone and 1 will remain there. That becomes 1 into 5 by 9 into 1. That equal to 5 by 9. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 house in a day. If he continues working at this rate, how many days will he take to paint the whole house? Deepak can paint 2/5 of house in one day. One house in how many days? That is the problem. So that is equal to 1 divided by 2 by 5. So 1 into reciprocal of 2 by 5 equal to 1 into 5 by 2. Now we have to divide the 5 with 2. That becomes 2.5 days. Simplifying a fraction. Simplification of fractions is an important matter. Fraction means a number which consists a numerator and a denominator. Simplifying a fraction means writing the fraction again with a new smallest numerator and with a new smallest denominator without changing the value of fraction. Now see these figures. There are two rectangles of same size. The first rectangle, it is divided into two equal parts. That is, one part is shaded and one is not shaded. So the shaded part we can represent as 1 by 2. That is the fraction of shaded part. And here in the other rectangle of same size, that is divided into 6 equal parts. And out of 6, 3 are shaded. So we can represent that as C3 by 6. Both the rectangles are of same size, and in both of them shaded area is looking same. So shaded part in first rectangle is equal to shaded part in second. That means 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Means 3 by 6 can be simplified to 1 by 2. How? 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 2 into 3. We can write 6 as 2 into 3. The 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. That is, so 1 3 and the other 3 will cancel. That becomes 1 by 2. So 3 by 6 is an equilateral fraction of 1 by 2. Vice versa. Here are some examples. So take 30 by 36. The factors of 30 is 5 into 6. And factors of 36 are 6 into 6. And both of them 6 will cancel, and the remaining fraction is 5 by 6. So here in 24 by 48, factors of 24 are 2 into 3 into 4, and factors of 48, 6 into 8. And 6 and 8 can be further factorized, 2 into 3 into 4 by 2 into 3 into 2 into 4. The 2, 3, 4 will cancel, and the 1 by 2 will remain. So 1 by 2 is the answer. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.